Got my 1915 Eck Hurricane fan back from Paul Graves. He spent a lot of time on this. Paint, bearings, gears, and the whole 9 yards. These two gears right here, the large gear and that small drive gear, Paul cut them brand new, put new bearings in, the bronze bearings, and did a wonderful job. I am so pleased with this fan. This is exactly what I imagined it to be. It's got what's called a Ming blade on it, which is a blade that is separated at the hub, 90 degrees of each other, and this thing works really nice. Thanks again to Paul Graves. Those oilers on top, in fact, are not oilers, they are greasers. Back in the day, 1915 roughly, they put Vaseline in those things and it melted and went down through the gears. Very cool. Paul put an automotive paint on there, redone the blades. He just made this thing look great. This is the star of my show in my home. I hope you've enjoyed the video. I'm going to slow it down here a little bit. All 3 speeds work as expected. Man, it's just mesmerizing to watch these side gear fans work. Once again, back to high speed, and thank you very much for watching.